Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by protecting your data and enabling the phone for low-level work. Once backed up, turn on developer options and enable USB debugging and OEM unlock so the bootloader can be changed. Next, install ADB and Fastboot on your computer and confirm the phone appears with a DB devices. You need a working connection. If the device doesn't show, try a different cable or USB port before continuing. You now remove the existing Android system by unlocking and flashing. Reboot to the bootloader with a DB reboot bootloader, then run the manufacturer-specific unlock command like fastboot flashing unlock. Unlocking erases user data. Once unlocked, use the factory image flash script or individual fastboot flash commands to overwrite boot, system, vendor, and other partitions. Make sure images match your model. Proceed step by step, and watch for errors after each fastboot command. You finish by rebooting and verifying the device boots cleanly. The first boot can take several minutes, so be patient. Once the system is stable, restore your backups and re-enable security features like lock screen. If the device enters a boot loop or fails to boot, make sure you flash the exact factory image for your model and rerun fastboot flash steps. If needed, relock or reflash recovery. A single correct image usually resolves most post-flash problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.